Hello. Hi. Yo, welcome to another Christy Crypto video. I'm just making this video like this to talk about one thing that I want you to know going into this initially mania stage of the market. First of all, trading view. Big discount going on at the moment for Black Friday. Get on it. You're going to need it for the bull run. And I'm working on the website, but at the moment I'm just announcing that there is a free group for you to join down below for the Ribbon Flow Pro free alerts. So you will get notified on take profit, long, shorts, take profit levels and stop losses. But I've not come to show you my project. I have actually come to tell you about what is going on in the market right now. Obviously, Bitcoin is Bitcoin is up. It was below. It was literally just below, literally 100k. It went to 99,800. Okay, and now look at it, closing below the ribbon on a 4-hour time frame. It's entering the 12-hour time frame. We might see it come down to like 90k, or down to even to the daily Ribbon Flow Pro, which would be 83 to 87. But it's good to see because of hopefully Bitcoin will range. I don't think this is the end of the bull. I think this is a pullback area for people like Sailor, nation states, all these people that are now getting interested in crypto, in Bitcoin, for them to start getting their entries. And we might see those candles that everybody dreams of, like 10k candle up and all that stuff. Imagine. So Bitcoin has performed well. People have made a lot of money from holding their Bitcoin. They're like, time to start buying altcoins that look like this on the Bitcoin chart. Look at this on a daily time frame. Disgusting. You've lost 99% of your value. 97%. You lost 97% of your value. If you bought ERGO at the top here instead of buying Bitcoin, you've lost 90% of your value. Okay, when you could have just bought Bitcoin, and you wouldn't have had all this. You would have stayed up here. Okay. So what I'm saying by this is now these Bitcoin bulls, these Bitcoin whales are going to be looking. Everyone's getting bullish on Bitcoin now. Even these nation states are buying Bitcoin. Who's got all the Bitcoin? Hodlers, traders, the miners. I don't know about if the miners have got it. I think they have record lows at the moment from what I've seen on chain analytics. It's the whales, and they are going to make an alt season happen again because they know that they can make more Bitcoin by pumping up the alts, and that's what they do every single cycle. So when the chart's looking like this and we're getting bullish on the Ribbon Flow Pro indicator, the Ribbon Flow is flowing. Long here, we're going up. Simple. Wait for a retest on the daily, or wait for a retest on a 12-hour. Could have got an entry there. This long story short, profits are going in to these layer ones now. Okay, so this is ERGO on a daily, on a USDT chart, on a daily time frame, nearly up at $2. It's had a bit of a pullback, but not as bad as what Bitcoin is going through now. This is a key area where people start to think, okay, do I deploy my Bitcoin now? Do I start buying these layer ones? And I think at these levels, it's hard to find sellers of these altcoins. These sellers are from previous cycles that come back, start to think, oh, I was buying ERGO at $20 or $15. I'm not going to sell at $2 when maybe they'll sell when it gets up to $15. But right now, you are better off holding these layer ones. And then the risk curve gets even better when these layer ones pump up to like $10, $15, and people start taking profits. They start getting interested in the ecosystem, and they start buying these altcoins that are worth like $2 million market cap. One that I want to show you right now is one that I've made a video on, and one disclaimer that I actually hold. 1.5 million market cap, okay, diluted. Look at the chart. It was nearly 10 cents. Now it's 1.5 cents, okay? So come on to Crux Finance, go through these coins, and it's not just these coins, it's your favorite layer one, even Solana. Go on Solana, look at the top coins on there, okay? I'm going to mention Mu, It's a great exchange. This is a new exchange. Again, in ERGO terms, it's down a lot. In USD terms, it's probably like near, it's all-time highs. So you're just waiting to when your ERGO is worth so much, rotate your ERGO into this. This coin is worth $4 million market cap. It's nothing. Okay. I'm pretty sure when I was making videos about ERGO back in 2020, its market cap wasn't even 20 mil, I don't think, and that performed really well. So eyes will come, community will grow bigger. ERGO has a good community to welcome other people in. I'd say ERG and Cardano actually positioned quite well for this as well, with these new bridges and how the extended UTXO model works really well with Bitcoin. I want to see this cycle. I really want to see Bitcoin bridged over to these layer ones, Cardano and ERGO, and actually deployed in DeFi. I want to see the liquidity rise. If you want to see that as well, like the video. Remember what I mentioned down below about the Telegram group for Ribbon Flow Pro, free indicator, and I'll see you in the next one.